Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to. So today I'll be teaching you on how you can add a discount code to your Wix website. So first is you have to log into your account and then go to the all sites options right here at the top, and then you have to select the site that you want to add a discount code. Okay, so go to all sites, and right here you just have to select your site. So for this example, I'm going to use this site right here. So just click on select and edit site. And then you'll be redirected to your dashboard. And then from here at the left side, you'd be able to see this option. So you just have to click on the marketing. Okay. And then under the marketing, you have the discounts option. So you just have to click on the discounts and then select coupons, or you have to select automatic discount. So for this video, I'm going to select the coupons. Okay, so this one right here. Now, once you've done that, you'd be able to see this option right here where you can add a new coupon. So you just have to click on this button right here. And right here, you can select the type of coupon you want to offer. So you have the discount coupon. And when you click on this one, you'll be able to see the coupon code. You have the coupon name as well, and then the discount. Here for the discount percent, you also have these options right here at the bottom. And here for the free shipping, you also have the coupon code and then the coupon name and then the sale price. So you have to type out right here the sale price and the buy this get this for free item. So for this example, I am going to show you the discount. So the first option right here, and then the coupon code. So for example, I'm going to use the name of our YouTube channel as a coupon code, and then I'm going to use this one as well as a coupon name. Okay, so and then right here, a discount option, you just have to type out the discount that the customers will get if they're going to use this coupon. Okay, so right here, so for example, I want to give a discount for about 70 pesos. So just make sure that the discount that you are going to give to the customers is worth of the coupon. Okay, so just type it out right here. Then once you've done that, let's go to the apply it to option. So you can choose if you want it to apply this to all products or the specific product or specific category or on the minimum order subtotal. So for this example, I'm going to click on the all products, and then you have the option to choose if apply once per order or to the lowest price item or apply to each eligible item in the order. So you can choose any of this too. And here you can include subscriptions as well. So customer will use the coupon for your one-time purchases and for every recurring purchases. So you can click on this button here if you want this. And you have also the valid between. So you can type out right here the time or when will be the coupon or the discount will start and when will it end. Okay, so you can click on this don't set an end date, so you could type out right here a specific date. For example, this coupon will start on March 9 until March 12. So just click on this don't set an end date. Okay, so you'd be able to see here the validity of this coupon. Okay, so below you have here a limit the total number of uses for this coupon and the limit to one use per customer. So you can choose any of this two if you want to apply this and type out the quantity of the coupon if how many people could use this. So for example, 3 coupons for this promo, and then after that you just have to click on the create coupon option. So for example, on the discount, you also have the same process, so you just have to fill out everything right here. And once you're done, you just have to click on the create a coupon option right here at the bottom. So let me just finalize other things over here. So the minimum subtotal. So you also have this for the free shipping. Then limit it to one use per customers. You can edit everything right here, and then right here create a coupon. Once you've done that, as you can see, I have now my first coupon. And now if you want to add a new coupon, you just have to click on this add new coupon option at the top. And then let's try the free shipping option. So for the coupon code, I want to use subscribe. And for the coupon name as well, let me just copy and paste it here. And then for the apply to all orders, and then you can just type out thing right here, and then just click on create coupon to create another coupon. Okay, so that's a wrap. That's how you can add a discount code to your Wix website. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.